If you run a Facebook page, did you know you can have a separate pages feed where you can see updates from the pages that you've liked only and filter out all the friends and family stuff on Facebook? Here's how in this video. So here I am on my Facebook page, and if I scroll down here on the right hand side, look out for pages feed. See pages feed, and as it says, you can see posts from pages that you've liked. And if you think about that, it's a no adverts news feed. It's just got all the pages you want to see updates from. When you comment as PR Wilson Media, you comment as the page. People can respond, they can click back through to your page. So it's a great way to filter out the noise as a business on Facebook and just concentrate on the pages you're interested in. Now, the way you can do it, if I just pick one of these pages, lives for example, and go through to it, to like as your page, you just click on the three dots and say like as your page. You can also unlike as your page, and that will immediately add that page to your pages feed. In terms of the 2020 version, the new version of Facebook, again you go to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots, and there you can pick out like as your page or unlike as your page. So pretty straightforward. The pages feed gives you a clear filtered view of just the pages you're interested in, and it helps you connect with other businesses and community pages on Facebook. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.